How to remove or delete repost on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, under the How You Use Instagram, tap on the Your Activity option and then tap on the Reposts option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your reposts. So, tap on the Select option on the top right of your screen and then go ahead and select the repost that you want to delete. Once selected, tap on the Delete option and when prompted, tap on the Delete button again, and with this the repost will be deleted from your profile. So this is how you can remove or delete reposts on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.